Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Italy Scandal from the 13th to the 17th of October 2025 on Monday. Parents are alerted to a deeply alarming situation. Tiro's obsession with proving his comeback doesn't land well. Under interrogation, Orchid insists he's innocent on Tuesday. The arrival of a young girl in delicate dilemma leaves Nice speechless. Toriso proposes revisiting an old project to help mend a strained relationship on Wednesday. A memory sparks a clue, igniting a race against time. Patricia has one finally message for Talita's for Talita. Ephraim meets a dilemma escalate, drawing the attention of the authorities on Thursday. Tiro reverts to emotional blackmail to achieve a desired result. Ntutuko is left in the dark, frustrated, but the truth shocked him to the core. On Friday, Talita is pushed into a corner, forced to choose between her son and herself. Licia's trauma sparks a bitter clash between her parents. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.